I'm Vonger Riepma.
And my name is Tom Meijeraen and we are the founders of Arctic Reflections.
We started Arctic Reflections with a mission to preserve Arctic sea ice to counter global warming. Our approach has a lot of impact potential, but is actually very simple, thickening the Arctic sea ice in winter to have more reflective ice left in summer. Sea ice acts as a heat shield for the Earth, reflecting more than 90% of sunlight, whereas open water absorbs more than 90%. Over the past decades, summer sea ice has reduced drastically from 7 million square kilometers in 1980 to only 4 million square kilometers now. The IPCC even predicts a first Arctic ice-free summer before 2050. So even rapid CO2 emission reductions will be too late to avoid this. Thickening the ice helps maintain its reflective cooling effect, reducing the risk of climate tipping points.
Our technology is straightforward. In winter we will drill holes through the ice and pump seawater on top of its surface, which allows the seawater to freeze rapidly by temperatures of -20 to -40 degrees Celsius. This accelerates the natural freezing process, leaving more ice for the summer. Also, by flooding the snow layer on top of the ice, we will break the insulating effect of the snow, allowing for even more ice growth. With an extra 30 to 70 centimeters of snow, we will be able to extend the lifetime of the ice in summer by 1 month, significantly cooling the Arctic region. The technology for thickening the ice has been used for decades to create ice roads and has proven its effectiveness.
After lab tests and modeling, we're now doing actual field tests in the Arctic together with the University of Delft and UNIS. We recently returned from a field test on Spitsbergen where we pumped water on the ice and took extensive measurements. We managed to create 30 centimeters of additional ice in a week, and remote monitoring equipment will allow us to follow the melting process and prove that the ice really lasts longer in the summer.
This winter we are planning a large demonstration project to prove our scalability. To support this, we've started a new fundraising round. In future, we plan to sustainably finance our large-scale operations through government grants and through the sale of ice credits, similar to carbon credits of reforestation projects.
Reducing CO2 emissions is crucial, but preserving Arctic summer sea ice is also needed for climate adaptation. The UN Ocean Decade Programme recently endorsed our initiative, which is a great validation for us.
Together we can make a difference. Join us in preserving the Arctic sea ice and protecting our planet.